we're going to learn incomplete measure. Okay, so what does that mean? Usually in 4/4 time we have 4 beats, 1 measure, 4 beats, 1 beat, 2 beats here, 2 beats here, 1 measure, 4 beats, 1 measure, and 4 beats, 1 measure. All this is complete measure. Okay, so incomplete measure means, let's say you have a quarter note, then the bar line, then you have whole note to half note, this, okay, then you have, guess what, 1, 2, 3, then a bar line. So in this case, in the higher line, your case is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 beats, right? 1, 2, 3, this is 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. But the lower line, you're going to ignore this part first. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. This one is 4, 1, 2, 3. Then the 4 goes here. Okay. So if the question asks you, let me use a brown color. On what beat does the music begin? Okay, on what beat? If it's the first case, on beat 1 that you begin your music with. If it is the second one, this case, on beat 4 is where you start from. So your answer is going to be beat 4. So that means over here, your question number 1, on what beat does the music begin? You have choice of 1, 3, and 4. So you're going to look at time signature is 4/4, and you're going to look at, here's your bar line here. This part is your incomplete measure. So you don't start from right here. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. The last measure here is going to be 1, 2, 3. Then you go back here. This is your beat of 4. Okay. So your answer for this should be 4. Okay. Then 2 more things you're going to need to learn. One is called repetition. That means repeat exactly the same thing. Okay? Another word you got to learn is sequence. Oh, I spelled sequence wrong. Sorry. Q-U-E-N-C-E. Okay? Sequence. Sequence means you repeat, okay, the same pattern, but start from different note. Okay, I'm going to play on the piano so that I can show you what they mean. Okay, I'm on my piano. Okay, repetition, repeat exactly the same. So let's say if I play, silly me, I didn't turn on my piano. What do you know? Okay, repetition, repeat the same. Let's say if I play, then I repeat again. That is called repetition. Okay, sequence, let's say if I say Mary had a little lamb, then I move up a step and move up a step. Basically, I'm playing the same pattern, but I start from a different note. So that is called sequence. So that will cover your number 3. You need to look at measure 1 and measure 2. Are they exactly the same? If yes, then you pick repetition. Number 4, which word describe the right hand in measure 3? So this is measure 3 right here. So over here, compare these 3 notes with this 3 notes, okay? If they are exactly the same, you pick repetition. If not, then you pick sequence. Okay, last question, number 7. Name the box chord in measure 7. So over here you have measure 7, and this is your box. Inside you have 4 notes, okay? Which note is your most important note? We always learn always your lowers. Your lowers, and what note is that? That is a F. So looks like you only have 2 choices, C major and F major, so you're going to pick F. Very easy. And the rest, 2, 5, 6, and 8, you're going to try to answer it yourself, okay? Thank you.